Hi Financio users, today we'll walk you through how to make changes to submitted orders using the Advanced Ordering feature. If you'd like to update your order, first go to the order you wish to edit. Click on View. Then click on the arrow next to the Invoice Now Accepted button. Next, click on the three dots and select Request Order Change. Within a purchase order, you may have multiple items. Choose the item you'd like to update and make the necessary changes. For example, if the first item does not require any changes, simply select No Action from the Status drop-down and save. If you want to remove the second item, select Deleted from the Status drop-down and save. For the third item, if you need to update the item name and quantity, make the edits accordingly. Then select Changed from the Status drop-down and save. Once all items have been reviewed and updated, click Save to confirm your changes. You can then check the order change status. It will show as pending until the seller or supplier reviews and approves it. Now, let's look at it from the seller's point of view. The seller will receive a notification for the order change request. After reviewing the changes, if everything is acceptable, they can mark the order as accepted. Once accepted, all updates will be automatically reflected in the sales order. At the same time, the buyer will receive a notification confirming that the order changes have been successfully approved. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.